In this video, we're gonna come back in Prome AI, which is a website we use for other video guides previously, and we're gonna see another tool. So we saw we can use sketches here. We can turn sketches into images. We can do upgrading, upscaling, and generating images. And in this video, I want to show you the erase and replace, which is also a really interesting tool that it's pretty common also in other AI software and websites and generator. So you can access the tool by going from the home page, and here you have a series of buttons you can push. So you can do different actions. You can replace, recolor, retouch, change the texture, etc., remove, and you can pick these images that you find already there by other users. And all you can just go here, generation and history, pick one of these images that are available given by the Prome AI website, or you can just upload yours. But I'm gonna use one of the ones that I see here. So I'm gonna go for this one here, or you can do however you want. And you can see it's automatically detecting areas of the photo, of the image. So this purple, it means that it's kind of a mask, it's kind of a selection with a magic wand. But you can change, you can paint an area, or you can use a lasso, similar to Photoshop again or other software. You can erase parts of the selection. You can also go back and redo, and you can do some other operations here like moving, cropping, other stuff. So I'm gonna go, I'm just gonna crop a little bit just to show you quickly. Or you can use formats that are down there like square, vertical, horizontal. Now I just made a custom crop, and now let's use some of these tools right here. So the select and replace. So we are already on replace, so I'm gonna use this one. And then I want to show you also some of these others. I will not show you everything, but once you get the idea, you can test it yourself. And you can insert by uploading other images. You can recolor, etc., etc. You can change the texture if you're working with materials. So I'm going to go here and replace. So with this, I just need to type what I want to put as a replacement. So I will type cat, and I will select that bird in there. Now there are other options here, but some are for, well, they're not free, so you need to pay. You need to have a more advanced account. So we'll just select this with the magic wand, and once I select it, I will just click on replace and then generate. And this is going to generate some results. AI, artificial intelligence calculation, and this is what's happening here. Well, this is not what I expected. I see like a cat on top of the bird or something like that, which is not really what I wanted. But sometimes you need to be more specific in these tools, or sometimes you just need to generate more and more. But I want to do something else. I want to first remove totally that bird and then try to generate only the cat. So I'm going to use the lasso. I'm going to cut through all around here. I'm going to create a selection all around, click and drag with the left mouse. And once I have that purple area, I'm gonna go and generate. And this time it's not gonna generate, it's just gonna remove. So it's going to put the actual background in the photo. There we go. So this is the results. Third one seems a little bit better. The first two, they have like really long, uh, you know, it's not good. So this is the best one, but I can try to do better, of course. And now let's generate. So I'm gonna go and insert object. So to insert object, I need to type usually, well, more or less what I want the use of that image to be. So I'm gonna go like and type flying cat. I'm gonna define an area again, and then I'm gonna use an image from the web in my case, but you can get any image. This is from Pixar. You can see the information out there if you want. Just search for flying cat, and I'm gonna save it in my folder, and I'm gonna use this to do this quick task, this quick generation. So upload an image, go into the folder where I store it, and then I just, or you can just drag and drop, and there you go, open it. And now, once it's ready, I can just generate and see what's gonna happen. So, oh, these are the results. That's pretty strange. As usual, I can say when you do artificial intelligence, you need to work out more. You need to work on the photo, on the details, on the image. You need to work a lot, but this will eventually improve in the future. But this will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated. If you want to thank us, support us, you can join the channel as a supporter to help us creating more videos like this. So thanks again, and see you in the next video guide.